There is mixed news about the epidemic today, with cases surging in many parts of the United States. The impact on Philadelphia so far is unclear, but there are plenty of reasons to be concerned. First, let me give you an update on the local numbers. Now, since this time yesterday, we matched our local database with the state health department's database, which enables us to pick up cases of infection that were reported previously, but now have been newly identified as Philadelphia residents. That gives us an increased number of cases that we would report in a single day. So since this time yesterday, we've identified 219 new people with the coronavirus infection, bringing us to a total of 25,335 since the beginning of the epidemic. Of the 219, approximately 100 are previous cases that are newly identified as Philadelphia residents, and about 120 are recent, that's to say the past couple of days. The same process enabled us to identify 37 new people who died from the coronavirus infection, bringing us to a total of 1,563 since the beginning of the epidemic. Now, more important than any individual day's number is the overall trend. And the cases last week averaged about 100 per day, which is still falling from what we were doing before, but it's falling just slightly. The number of people who are tested who then test positive, that percent is about 5% now. Across the region, case counts are falling in Montgomery County and in Bucks County and in Delaware. However, the epidemic is going very much in the wrong direction in most of the United States. U.S. case counts have risen more than 30% in the past 14 days. Case counts are rising now in 26 states in the United States after reopening. A couple of examples of Florida and Texas, after having an initial peak of about 1,000 cases per day in April, they had a fall. Now they're peaking again at about 4,000 cases per day. And the epidemics there are not just in rural areas, they're also in cities like Miami and Houston. Those are hit particularly hard. And case counts are rising also in some parts of Pennsylvania and in Delaware and in southern New Jersey. So with all that happening, this will have some impact on Philadelphia. We can't say when and we can't say how much. So the main message today is that this epidemic is definitely not over. The risk right now is rising. So we all need to take this seriously. Businesses and people who organize activity need to take our safe mode guidance seriously, and individual people need to take our mask, distance, hand washing message seriously.